Welcome to our discussion on Boost Your Business Growth with an AI automation agency. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is AI automation? Well, it's a revolutionary technology that's reshaping the way businesses operate. By automating tasks, AI is helping to reduce operational costs and boost efficiency. It's like having a tireless team working around the clock, taking care of routine tasks, so that your talented human team can focus on what they do best: strategic and creative work. The McKinsey Global Institute suggests that nearly half of all activities worldwide could be automated using existing technologies. That's quite the game changer, isn't it? AI automation is not just about saving time. It's also about predicting customer behavior and delivering personalized experiences that make your brand stand out. But remember, implementing AI automation isn't a walk in the park. It requires a thoughtful strategy, a detailed blueprint, effective execution, and continuous optimization. So let's dive deeper into how AI automation can propel your business growth. AI automation is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool reshaping industries. It's like a hidden superhero, working behind the scenes, making things work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. And if you're wondering just how much potential this superhero holds, consider this. According to the prestigious McKinsey Global Institute, nearly half of all activities worldwide could be automated using existing technologies. Yes, you heard it right, nearly half. AI automation is like a time machine in a way. It saves time, lots of it. It takes over repetitive, mundane tasks, leaving humans free to focus on strategic, creative endeavors, the kind of tasks that humans are really good at. But it doesn't stop at just saving time. It goes a step further and predicts. Yes, it can predict customer behavior, helping businesses cater to each customer's unique needs and preferences. It's like having a crystal ball that tells you what your customers want, even before they know it themselves. Now imagine having a tool that not only saves time and predicts, but also personalizes. AI automation delivers personalized experiences, adding that special touch to customer interactions. It's like having a personal assistant who knows each customer intimately, understands their preferences, and tailors interactions to match those preferences. This level of personalization was unheard of a few years ago, but with AI automation, it's now a reality. And the best part? All these benefits, time-saving, predicting, personalizing, they're not just nice-to-haves. They directly contribute to business growth. They reduce operational costs, boost efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction, all of which are critical for a thriving business. Now, you might be wondering how to implement AI automation in your business. We'll get to that. Implementing AI automation in your business requires a thoughtful strategy. It's not about jumping on the bandwagon because everyone else is doing it. It's about understanding your business needs and how AI automation can help you meet those needs more efficiently. Firstly, let's talk about creating a detailed blueprint. This involves identifying the tasks that can be automated and the ones that need human intervention. By doing this, you're able to map out the areas where AI can bring in the most value. This could be anything from automating customer service responses to streamlining your supply chain. Next up is effective execution. Once you've got your blueprint, it's time to put it into action. This could involve setting up your AI tools, training your staff on how to use them, and integrating them into your existing systems. Remember, the goal here is not to replace humans, but to augment their capabilities. So it's crucial to ensure your team understands how to work with the AI tools effectively. Now, you might think that once you've implemented your AI strategy, you're done, but that's not the case. AI automation is not a one-time process, but a continuous journey. You need to keep optimizing and refining your strategy based on the results you're getting. This means analyzing the data, learning from it, and making the necessary adjustments. Think of it like a garden. You can't just plant the seeds and walk away. You need to water it, nurture it, and sometimes prune it to ensure it grows in the right direction. Similarly, AI automation needs continuous monitoring and optimization to truly flourish and deliver the desired results. Remember, the key to successful AI automation lies in a well-thought-out strategy, a detailed blueprint, effective execution, and continuous optimization. It's not about replacing humans, but augmenting their capabilities, and with the right approach, AI automation can become a powerful tool in your business arsenal. With a proper strategy in place, you're ready to harness the power of AI automation. Scene script. Machine learning models are widely used to automate tasks and optimize operations. Now let's delve deeper into the role of machine learning models in AI automation. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that employs statistical techniques to enable machines to improve with experience. These models are the backbone of AI automation as they enable machines to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Imagine a world where repetitive tasks are performed efficiently by machines, freeing up human resources to focus on more strategic tasks. That's the power of machine learning models in AI automation. They can be trained to perform a wide range of tasks, from processing customer queries to identifying anomalies in large data sets, and even predicting market trends. These models are not just limited to automating tasks, but they also optimize operations across various sectors. For instance, in the healthcare sector, machine learning models can predict disease patterns and aid in early diagnosis. In the finance sector, these models can be used for risk assessment, fraud detection, and investment planning. Furthermore, machine learning models are continuously learning and adapting. They become more accurate and efficient over time as they are exposed to more data. This constant evolution allows businesses to stay ahead of the curve by predicting changes in customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency. The best part is that machine learning models can be customized according to a business's specific needs. They can be trained on a business's specific data and used to automate and optimize tasks that are unique to that business. This high level of customization ensures that every business can reap the benefits of AI automation regardless of its size or industry. In a nutshell, machine learning models are the driving force behind AI automation. They automate tasks, optimize operations, and provide valuable insights, all while learning and adapting to ensure maximum efficiency and accuracy. So, machine learning models are key to maximizing the benefits of AI automation. AI automation is not just about efficiency and productivity, it's about business expansion. To fully understand this, let's consider the many ways that AI automation can enhance business growth. Firstly, AI automation can significantly boost efficiency. By automating repetitive, time-consuming tasks, businesses can streamline their operations and get more done in less time. This not only saves precious hours, but also allows employees to focus on tasks that require a human touch, such as strategic planning or customer relations. Moreover, AI automation also boosts productivity. By eliminating the risk of human error in routine tasks, businesses can ensure that work is completed correctly the first time around. This reduces the need for time-consuming corrections and reworks, leading to a more productive workflow. But AI automation does more than just increase efficiency and productivity. It's a key driver for business expansion. By automating routine tasks, businesses can scale their operations without needing to hire more staff. This means that as a business grows, it can handle a greater workload without a proportional increase in operational costs. Furthermore, AI automation can also improve overall business performance. It can predict customer behavior and deliver personalized experiences, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. This in turn can lead to increased sales and revenue growth. In addition, implementing AI automation can lead to innovation. With more time and resources freed up, businesses can focus on developing new products or services, exploring new markets, and finding new ways to grow. AI automation also provides businesses with valuable insights. By analyzing large amounts of data, AI can highlight trends and patterns that humans might miss, helping businesses make more informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. In a nutshell, AI automation is a game changer for any business looking to grow. It's not just about doing things faster or more efficiently. It's about unlocking new opportunities for growth and innovation, making it an invaluable tool in today's fast-paced, competitive business landscape. So there you have it, how an AI automation agency can boost your business growth. We've explored the immense power of AI automation, which can revolutionize businesses by automating tasks, reducing operational costs, and amplifying efficiency. we've also delved into the intricacies of implementing AI automation, which calls for a thoughtful strategy, a meticulous blueprint, effective execution, and continuous optimization. And let's not forget the crucial role of machine learning models. These models are the backbone of AI automation, helping to automate tasks and optimize operations across various sectors. Lastly, we've highlighted the profound impact of AI automation on business growth. By saving time, predicting customer behavior, and delivering personalized experiences, AI automation can truly take your business to the next level. Embrace AI automation and watch your business reach new heights. Thank you for joining us in this discussion. Until next time.
Are you ready to discover how to take this information and apply it to start getting results fast? Tap the link below or go to mastermindwebinars.com and create your free account to get hours of valuable training on website optimization, list building, email marketing, AI, automations, mindset, and so much more. Click below and unlock this wealth of free training today.